Maslenitsa is an ancient Slavic holiday with numerous customs which has come down to our days through the centuries. It is celebrated during the week before Lent. This year, 2023, Maslenitsa is celebrated from February 20 to February 26. We also call it Cheese Week because according to Orthodox tradition, meat is already excluded from the diet this week, but dairy products can still be consumed. Maslenitsa is a cheerful farewell to winter and a joyful expectation of a warm spring. Traditionally, the main attributes of the holidays were a stuffed Maslenitsa, fun, sleigh rides, festivities, and of course pancakes. Pancakes symbolize the sun, which flares up brighter and makes the day longer. It is possible that pancakes were also part of the funeral rite, since the Saturday before Maslenitsa was called Parents' Day. The Slavs worshipped the souls of deceased ancestors. Each day of the Maslenitsa week has its own name and its own special rituals. For example, Sunday is called Forgiveness Sunday or Forgiveness Day. On this day, everyone visits relatives, friends, and mates, kisses and hugs each other, and asks for forgiveness if they offend each other by words or deeds. And also on the last day of the Maslenitsa week, the ritual of seeing of Maslenitsa was necessarily carried out with the obligatory burning of an effigy of Maslenitsa. The effigy symbolizes winter, and among the ancient Slavs, the effigy embodied the patroness of frost, cold, and night, the goddess Marena. That's why the effigy always looks like a woman. The rite of burning the effigy itself is the goodbye of winter and the hardships associated with it. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching this video. What do you think about this holiday? What do you think about Maslenitsa? Do you have some similar holidays? If you wish to book a lesson, you can freely email us. You can see the email here in front of you, or you can check the description to this video and see the email there. Also, if you like our videos and you would like to support us and our channel, you can open this link, buy me a coffee. So, wish you all the best. Пока-пока.